Good afternoon. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, uh, we can solve a lot of questions of the paper 1. Examination is the Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026 Chemistry. And before that, we have already discussed the questions of the paper number 2 and paper number 3 of same examination. Okay. Now in this video series, you will get a proper solution of the questions on the basis of the concept. And in this paper, a lot of questions related to the pH value. Okay. So now start the question number 1. According to the question number 1, the phosphate ions are abundant in cell. Okay, the typical total phosphate concentration in a cell, monophosphoric and diphosphoric is 2.0 10 to the power minus 2 m molar. What are the concentration of monophosphoric and diphosphoric acid at pH 7.40? They are asking about the concentration of the both phosphoric acid at the given pH, and pH value is the 7.40. Okay. Now in this question also given the pKa for diphosphoric ion and 7.20, which is very close to the normal pH in the body. Okay, so how to correlate it, and also a concentration reaction is given, that is the how to react the diphosphoric acid with water and formation of the hydronium ion and also formation of the monophosphoric acid. So now we can solve this question on the basis of the pH calculation method based on the one equation. Name of the equation is the Henderson-Hasbulla equation. Okay. So now in this question they are asking about the phosphate concentration at pH is given 7.40. Okay. Now calculate the concentration of monophosphoric acid HPO4 2 negative and diphosphoric acid HPO4 negative at pH 7.40. Okay. Now some values are given in this question, and according to the question, given values, that is the total phosphate ion concentration, represented by concentration of the monophosphoric acid 2 negative plus concentration of the diphosphoric acid single negative is equal to is given 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. Okay, and pK value is also given. So pKa for diphosphoric acid only. Diphosphoric acid is 7.20. Right? Now solve the question step by step. So for this calculation, we have to follow the some steps. And step number 1, according to the step number 1, first we will write the formula for the calculation of the pH value. That is the very popular formula for this type of calculation, that is the Henderson-Hasbulla equation. We can solve pH value of this substance, that is the what is the formula? pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of base divided by concentration of acid. Okay, concentration of acid, like that. And now in this step number 2, formula is we have written formula, and now put the value of the given value of in this formula. Substitute the values, that is the pH value is also given on the question. 7.40 is equal to pK value is also given 2.0 into 10 to the power 2.0 into 10 to the power um, minus 2 moles. Okay, and plus log. What is the log value? Log is equal to concentration of the HPO4. It is a basic in nature, and upon the acid, what is the acid? That is the H3PO4. Okay, it is a concentration of the acid and base according to the formula. Now solve this equation, and after solving this equation we will get the 0.20 is equal to log HPO4 2 negative concentration of and upon H2PO4 single negative. Okay, now convert into this, that is the concentration of HPO4 2 negative and concentration of H2PO4 negative. Okay, negative is equal to, after calculation of the log we will get the 10 to the power 0.20. Okay, approx 1.585. Right. Now calculate the concentration of the monophosphoric acid. That is with the help of formula we can easily calculate, and calculation like that. In this step, in the fourth step, we will calculate the concentration of HPO4, HPO4 2 negative. Okay, now 1.585 H2PO4 single negative. Clear? Now substitute the value of total concentration. Now substitute the value of total concentration. Total concentration, that means the 1.85 concentration of the H2PO4 negative. Okay. Plus concentration of the HPO4 2 negative. Right. Now it will be the 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. Now step number 6. In this step we will calculate 2.585 concentration of the HPO4 negative and is equal to 0.02. Put the value of the concentration of this, that is the we will get the 0.02, and also we can write here H2PO4 single negative approx, after calculation of this, approx 7.74 into 10 to the power minus 3 m. Right. Now finally we will calculate the concentration of the HPO4 2 negative, that is the 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 7.74 10 to the power minus 3, and we will get the approx value of the 1.226 into 10 to the power minus 2 m. That is our answer. That is the concentration of the this HPO4 2 negative is 1.226 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar or molarity. You can calculate the pH value with the help of the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Step by step solution is done. Okay. Thank you.